Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Well, are you hungry? I hope you are, because I got a great recipe for you this week. And I kept it keto. Keto, blue cheese, pork chops. I'm telling you, this recipe is great. And not only is it great, but it's easy to prepare. It's literally only 15 minutes from the time you pull it out of your refrigerator to the time you're sitting down eating. Want to see how this works out? Come follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Okay folks, let's get started. There's the cutting board. There's the first two pork chops. Separate them. Cut each chop into 3 smaller pieces. 4 chops total. 12 small pork chops when we're done. Done with the cutting board. We'll set that aside. Straighten out the pork chops. I'm going to season both sides with some Montreal Steak Seasoning. Flip them over. Season the other side. Set that aside temporarily. Time for some medium heat. 2 tablespoons of butter into the frying pan. Let that melt down. And now we're going to add the pork chops into the frying pan. Cover that up and let that cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up. Take the cover off. I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Add another tab of butter, and I'm just going to keep moving these around the pan for about 4 or 5 minutes more until it's properly cooked. Properly cooked, let's put them on a plate. That looks good already, don't it folks? Time for the sauce. Half a cup of heavy cream. Spread that around and mix that in with the juices. Over medium heat, add a little more heavy cream. Spread that around over medium heat and bring that to a little bit of a boil. Time for the crumbly blue cheese. This is what makes it right here. 1/4 cup of crumbly blue cheese. Just melt that down. Once the blue cheese is melted, your sauce is made, folks. There you go, look at that. Now we're going to spread the sauce over the pork chops. Add a little bit of parsley. There you go, folks. I'm telling you, this is good. Gonna set 4 of them on another plate here. Get that ready. Add a little bit of cauliflower to it. Oh man, you got a meal here. Look at that. I'm telling you, it's great, and it's keto. Coupled with the cauliflower I did on the side, you got yourself a perfect meal. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thanks for sharing and being part of my life. You know the drill. When the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and definitely go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. We'll see you next week.